Hi Stallions! For this activity, you're going to need a few things. You need to have this worksheet in front of you. You also need scissors and glue. So if you do not have those things, pause it and go and get them. Welcome back. What you're going to be doing during this activity is you're going to look at each picture and think about what the number sentence would say that matches the picture. So if I'm looking at this one, I know that I started off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars, and I took one away, and I have 4 stars left. So I'm going to look down here at the bottom, and I'm going to find the number sentence that matches it. I see it right here. And so I'm going to cut off the bottom and cut out these number sentences, and I'm going to glue the one that says 5 minus 1 equals 4 right in this box. You're going to do that for each picture. Look at it, think about what the story is telling you, and find the number sentence to match. Don't forget to put your name and send a picture on Seesaw.